how's everybody today? I am super excited to show you this fun, colorful eyeshadow lip. All the products are linked below, so if you're interested in buying any of these colors, please just jump below and they will be linked there. Also, if you're interested in my foundation, my one layer highlight and contour 3D foundation, there's a link down there and I can help you get the correct colors. So go ahead and click on that link and find out how to get color matched. All right, let's get started. Okay, so these are my favorite brushes ever. They're double-ended eyeshadow brush, and this one's called the Multitasker, for kind of detail work, I guess. And I just wanted to say, so I have real sensitive skin. I don't use a eyeshadow primer. I do use my highlight or my foundation color. It's a cream foundation to go over my eyelids. So if you don't have crazy sensitive skin like me, I do recommend using a eyeshadow primer. All right, so I'm going to start out with this color, which is Zion, or Zion, that's how you say it, silly. Like the park in Utah. So just think of the color of the rocks there. Okay, so I'm going to do this right in my crease and a little above. That's why I'm keeping my eyes open. Just windshield wipering back and forth with the Zion color. I love this color. I use this color all the time, and I feel like you can mix it with so many different colors. So don't be frightened of a bright orange color. Okay. Next color I'm going to use is Buba, and I'm going to take this down onto my lid a little bit more. I'm doing the same thing, just kind of below my crease and in my crease. And I don't want to go all the way completely over to like meet my tear duct, but I do want to do most of my lid. Okay. All right, next color. This one is basic and it's just a really, really soft brown color. So I'm going to come in with the other end, this little bit denser end. I'm just bringing it even further down on my lid. So I'm doing a little bit of an ombre with these pretty colors, which as you can see totally make my blue eyes pop. That's why I love oranges and browns. Okay, here comes the fun part. So this one is me, Hija, and it is a bright, gorgeous pink color. So I'm going to use the dense end again instead of the fluffy end, and I am just going to bring this right along my lash line. Kind of blend it in. And you guys, usually I do, especially when I'm doing a look like this, I will do my eyeshadow look first and then my makeup, but I was like halfway through my makeup when I decided that I should show you guys this look. So I'll have to go in and clean up all the fallout. Okay. Just right along that lash line. Okay. Now I want it a little bit more intense, so I'm going to use this flat end of my multitasker brush. And even like you can use a setting spray, even spray your brush if you want like a really intense color. But this will be fine for this look. Okay. And now I'm going to go back to the fluffy end. And I'm just going to blend everything in a little bit. Okay. And I'm also going to bring my mid-tone brown color, the Buba color, and I'm going to bring that down under my lower lash line. And then just kind of bring it up and meet the other colors. And again, I don't want to go all the way into my inner corner. So I'm going about 3/4 of the way across my bottom lash line. Okay, there we go. All right, I love this. This is fun. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this little skinny teeny end of my multitasker brush. Hope you guys can see that. And I'm going to go into my cream highlight color, which is the foundation color. And this one is a little bit lighter than my skin tone. And I'm just going to bring that right, clean this up. This is gonna give my eyeshadow look just a really, really polished final look. Okay, I'll do the other side. I'm just kind of blending it in with my finger. Okay. I can clean up the edges over here. Just putting a little bit on my finger. No big deal. Okay, perfect. And this one is Rome. It's just got a little bit of a shimmer to it, and it is skin tone. Just gonna clean my brush off a little bit. I'm gonna use the fluffy end, just get a little bit of product and bring in that shimmer where I cleaned everything up with that highlight color. And if you don't have the cream foundation, I can hook you up. Or you can use like any concealer or anything that is your skin tone, or maybe just even a shade lighter than your skin tone. Okay, and I'm also going to use Rome Shimmery. I'm going to use a little bit of the denser end, and I'm going to come right in here where I didn't really put the rest of my makeup color, or bring the bolder colors in, and then just kind of blend that inward. And I can even do that in the inner corner. So the other thing I can do with my multitasker brush is I can take, you guys can do this with any regular eyeliner, but I'm going to take Cola, which is this for really dark, gorgeous skin tones. and I am going to put it right inside my waterline. And I'm not being too precise, and I'm not going all the way across my eye. I'm just sort of doing that outer corner of my waterline. And I'm not doing it super dark either. Okay. And then I'm gonna do right above my lash line on the outer corner. And also, you know, going about halfway across. And I really like a more smudged look, so I'm gonna kind of fan it out a little bit. But I am also gonna take the Kohl, this is Kohl, right? No, this is Salem Eyeshadow, and I'm gonna set that in place. I don't often wear black eyeliner, so I don't really have any. I'm more of a brown for everyday kind of look. All right, now I'm going to finish it off with my mascara, and I'll be done with the look. I'm using the Voluminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal Paris. My favorite right now. So that's it. That was my look. A little bit of additional color, some pinks and some oranges, which I love for blue eyes. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you do, please like and comment below. And remember, all of the products are there, and I'm happy to help you with any color matches or finding any color eyeshadows for your color eyes if yours aren't blue like mine. I love putting together eyeshadow looks. So let me know. Thanks for watching.